Where the fuck? Blink! Where the fuck is he? I need a break. I need a break. God. Oh, he runs fast. Where could you be? Throughout this whole school. Out of the 4 classrooms I checked, I still haven't found him. I wouldn't dare check the bathrooms now. Oh, I don't think he hid there. Would he? Is killing him really the right option? No, that's a little too harsh, actually. Why would I kill him? He's a good friend. What? Maybe Liam's not the right option. I do want to teach him a lesson, though. I still want him to get it through his head. So what can I do that's not so harsh? Where's Miss Bloomy? My name is Miss Bloomy. Oh, Miss Bloomy. Hi, Miss Bloomy. How are you doing?
Miss Sasha, what?
I actually came
doing
here.
fine.
That's good. I actually came here to ask for a favor, just a small favor. I just need just something really. That shouldn't be too much of a problem, right?
Well, what do you need?
You know, you guys cook up potions and all, and they do, some effects. I'm looking for a potion in particular, not dangerous, that, takes a life away. God, no, I don't want that. Just something... what should I put this? Potion that would work to teach someone a lesson? I kinda need it for something. You can do that, right?
Who is it for, though?
I'd rather keep that closed.
That's suspicious.
Yeah, it's fine.
That's weird.
Well, maybe something in here. Anything in particular? Like, specifically?
Maybe that would change someone's height drastically?
Oh, here. Virologic. Oh, here you go.
So, if you don't mind me asking, what does this potion do?
Well, I mean, you said something to change someone's height, and that's what that does.
Yeah, I didn't say that. Any details I should be notified?
Well, for some reason, whenever someone intakes it, they start squeaking as well. That's about it.
Oh, really? Nothing else?
Nope, nothing else.
Alright, well, thank you for your help, Miss Bloomy.
And
Yeah,
if
I'll be
wait a
taking my
moment.
leave now.
If you want an antidote, there is one just below. There.
Oh, just right there? Ah. Alright, noted. Well, thank you for your help, Miss Bloomy. I'll be on my merry way now, okay? You have yourself a good day, okay? Bye-bye. See you on school grounds. Okay. Wow, no sight of Miss Sasha there in the classroom. Kindergarten classroom, I already checked those 2 classrooms. Not in the library either. This is gonna be good news. Where's Mr. Demi?
Okay. Just calm down. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Just...
Mr. Demi?
Oh, God.
I'm...
Oh, Miss Emily.
Apologies for scaring you. Anyways, never mind that. I went through the whole school grounds and didn't find any traces of Miss Sasha, and I can confidently say that she's not, anywhere to be seen, really. So I can confidently say that you're free to roam at least today, I would believe.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, is there anything I can do for you before I go ahead and take my leave? I'm having a class to teach.
No, I think I should be fine for now, but thank you, Miss Emily.
You're welcome. You need any more favors, feel free to come by my classroom or the staff room. You know where to find me. Alright, Tay?
Alright, thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna take my leave now. You take it easy.
Alright. Okay. Maybe I should just head back to my class. Or maybe if she's looking in my class still.
Mr. Demi? Mr. Demi! Hi! I was looking for you everywhere on the school grounds. I didn't expect to find you here.
You're not gonna do anything to me, right?
Oh no, I'm not going to do anything to you. No. I actually just wanted to find you and track you somewhere a little more private. Not in the school halls and that,
Okay.
I'm not going to do anything.
Okay.
If that's what you're worried about, I'm not going to do anything.
Alright.
Yeah, just follow me to my classroom, okay? Okay? Nothing bad's gonna happen to you, promise. Promise you that.
I don't like this. I get a very bad feel. I'm getting a very bad feeling.
After you.
I guess I'll just go in here then. Okay.
Mr. Demi? Do you know why I brought you here?
I don't know.
It's simple, really. Nothing too much to ask for. All I need you to do is just... I don't know, she have it here somewhere. Just drink this bottle I have for you. Don't worry, it's just nutrition, whatever. You know, what your body needs. Yeah, I kind of felt bad trying to murder you, so I thought, why not try to make up for it? As an apology. I can forgive you after what's happened. I can just drink this. Does that simple enough?
I guess so.
Great.
I guess I'll just...
There you go.
Thanks?
You're welcome. This is my apology for trying to kill you, so... Hopefully you're not mad?
Well, why would I be mad at you, even if you did threaten me multiple times? Forgiveness, right?
Yeah, that sounds good. Well, you gonna drink it?
Yeah, that,
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm okay. That just tastes a little, interesting. No, not in a bad way, not in a bad way.
Oh. Oh, that's good. So, what do you think of it?
Oh god. It's gonna. You can take the bottle back. I just need to make a quick run to the bathroom.
Hmm?
Oh god.
Well, I guess you didn't like it. Oh, he's been there for a while. Is he alright? Did I kill him? Maybe I'll stay here another minute, then I'll check in the bathrooms. Hmm. Okay, I can't do this no more. I can't. Mr. Demi, are you alright? No, Mr. Demi, I'm gonna come in, okay? Just, Demi, what am I on about? Okay, I'm coming in right now, Mr. Demi. What? Where'd he go? Huh? Oh no. Oh no. Did he just say diggity? What? Oh no. Oh no, where'd he go? Okay. Huh? Huh? What? Oh my god, I got you! Oh my god! You're so little! No, don't worry. You're so little! Oh my god! You squeak! You don't need to talk, you just squeak! Oh my god, you're so little! You're so little! Oh, you're like so adorable! Oh, give me a twirl. Give me a twirl. Please, pretty please. No. Okay, well. Oh, look at you. You're so little. Oh my god. You're so... You're short. Really short. Not like you or your football. Like, very. Oh my... Oh my god. You don't have arms. You don't have arms. Is that why you were still stuck in the men's bathroom for so long? I mean, you're short. You don't even have arms, let alone hands, to open the doorknob. Look at you. You can't do anything, can you? I got an idea, Mr. Demi. And you don't have a choice in this. Get over here. Get over here! Get over here! Come on, you're coming with me. You're coming with me. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. You're coming with me. Oh, don't even try and fight back. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you, little buddy. Come on. Come on. You are going to stay here, okay? What I gave you actually wasn't a protein shake. That was to teach you a lesson, okay? You're gonna stay here until you learn your lesson, okay? I didn't want to have to do this way, but it's better than having no life at all. You sit here and think about what you're done, and until you learn your lesson, I'm not gonna let you out. Jesus, okay.
Why do I always get into these weird situations? Maybe I should think of a way to try and escape. But then again, I don't have any arms bathrooms anymore. Maybe someone's out here? No, it doesn't look like anyone's out there. Maybe through here? Crap. Maybe if I look in here? No, nothing I could use or grab at all. I'm gonna have to ponder this more, but I guess I'm stuck in here now, so I'll just wait.
Mr. Demi. Sorry to jump scaring you. But have you learned your lesson yet? Have you? Are you sure? Mm-hmm. Am I supposed to believe that? Uh-huh, right. Okay, then, in that case, you know not to make any more stickmen and draw on my classroom. Yeah. And there ever comes a time when you do, you're going to pay for my materials. Got that? Alright, you want out bad. Alrighty, I'll get you out. Come on. Come out now. No. Question is, do you want to go back to your number farm? I can't tell if that's a yeah or no.
I swear to God, I'm gonna kill her one day.
I have a feeling so, yeah. Alrighty, well, I know where to find you. Luckily, you're lucky. There's even an antidote at all. Alrighty, come on. Come on, since I need to hold the door for you open. Alright. Just wait right there. Pretty sure Miss Bloomy said the antidote was here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Hopefully this is it, but I'm pretty sure it is. Alrighty. Here, you could just drink it for my got it? Come on. Come on, drink it on. Come on, you got that. Alrighty. Hopefully the effects just start kicking in soon. Do you feel any different, Mr. Demi? No, just put that right there. Oh, Jesus! Oh, you're back.
Yeah? Yeah.
Hi. You don't feel any different? You not missing part of you or anything like that?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's good. Great, that worked. Huh. Oh,
That worked.
I. Well, I kind of forgot where Miss Bloomie told me to look, and all these potions up there are not labeled, so I just kind of too guess for it. But you're back though. You're not in plushie no more.
Yeah, yeah.
Closer.
That felt
I'm
weird.
worried about plushie.
I didn't enjoy it at all.
Anyways. Well, in that case, did you learn your lesson now?
Yeah. I did.
Mm-hmm. You're not gonna draw on my classroom walls no more, especially stickmen?
I'm not
Did you?
I'm not going to.
That's good. That's good. Well, alright, Dilo, there's really no reason to keep you here, so I better let you go do your own thing. No?
Yeah. I'm gonna.
You have a good
God,
one.
I'm gonna do that.
Oh. Oh. I guess he was busy. Was in a rush, I guess.
Okay. Never again.
At least today,
Oh,
at least.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good.
Oh, shit. Shit.
God damn it! Keep your controller away from the thing. Keep your controller away from that.
I'm sorry.
Shit. All right. Listen.
Okay.
Listen, it's part of the process. It's part of the process.
What?
It's a part of the process.
I just recording, dumbass.
I know. All right. Well, we can cut that out then.
Alrighty. Where did you go? Hello there.
Oh.
God damn it.
What the fuck?
Just one more time. We got there.